And Dr. Bath, how long is this entire process likely to take? Will she be able to see at all? Will she be able to hear properly in the time to come?
She still has got multiple problems, both from the functional point of view and from the cosmetic point of view. And it will take almost 1 year for us to do almost 10 surgical procedures. And we are hopeful that she will be able to see, and most of her function problem will be solved. And she will be able to lead a normal life. Of course, her face cannot be same what God had given her the face, but we will resolve a lot of problems which are still there.
What have the problems been, Dr. Bagai? What all is the restoration process, and how will you begin that?
I think the first thing would be to restore her functional ability. So she still has a lot of contractures and she has a lot of functional disabilities. So we will be trying to address that first. Her eyes, her ears, her airway would require a lot of attention because of severe burn injuries because of nasal attack. And I think Dr. Bhatt has already instituted internally a very good core team which would be attending to this. Obviously, critical care experts and respiratory experts and anesthetic experts would also come into forte. But I think this process, what is important to understand is a long process. It takes a long time for recovery. It takes a significant time for rehabilitation. And I really a sincere and a very concentrated and God-willing aim is to give her some quality of life in which she can return back and get over this acute, very distressing trauma.
सोनाली, जो पिछले 9 वर्ष बीते उसमें जो हुआ और अब जो आने वाला 1 वर्ष है जिसमें इस 1 वर्ष में आपकी तमाम सर्जरीज होंगी, उस 1 वर्ष के बारे में आप क्या सोचती हैं?
मुझे यकीन नहीं होता कि 1 वर्ष में मेरा इतना कुछ हो सकता है। ये 9 साल मैंने बहुत ही तकलीफ से गुजारे हैं। अगर पहले मुझे ये डॉक्टर्स मिलते, आप लोगों का सपोर्ट मिलता, तो शायद आज तस्वीर कुछ और होती। मुझे अब ऐसा लग रहा है।
इन 9 वर्षों में आप कहां गई सरकार के पास और क्या क्या जवाब मिला आपको?
बहुत ही दुख होता है मुझे कहते हुए कि मैं जिस राज्य से बिलोंग करती हूँ, उस राज्य के तमाम मुख्यमंत्री तीनों एंड ऑल एमपीज, एमएलएज, सबके पास हम गए। हमारे पिताजी गए विथ टोटल डॉक्यूमेंट, स्टेटमेंट्स, फोटोग्राफ्स, हर कोशिश करते रहे, लेकिन हमें सिर्फ निराशा ही मिली, आश्वासन मिला जो आज तक कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। बहुत ही दुख की बात है मेरे स्टेट के लिए।
अब आप आगे क्या करना चाहेंगी? 1 साल में जो सर्जरी होगी उसके बाद आप क्या करना चाहेंगी अपने जीवन के साथ?
उसके बाद मैं चाहूंगी कि मैं सेल्फ डिपेंड हो जाऊं, क्योंकि मैं पढ़ी लिखी हूँ और मेरे परिवार में, फैमिली में मेरे लिए इतना तो दुख और तकलीफ सहा है। अब मैं चाहती हूँ कि कुछ जॉब मुझे मिल जाए ताकि मैं कमा सकूं और अपने परिवार को अच्छे से रख सकूं। ये मेरा पहला एम्बिशन है, क्योंकि अब मैं उनके लिए बेटी नहीं, उनका बेटा हूँ और मुझे उनके लिए ही कुछ करना है।
और आपको कभी ऐसा तो नहीं लगता कि शक्ति नहीं है या हिम्मत नहीं है? इन 9 सालों में आप में जबरदस्त हिम्मत रही है।
नहीं, वो तो ईश्वर का एक मेरे वरदान ही था कि मैं कैसे जिंदा रही और इतना स्ट्रगल किया। मैं जब सोचती हूँ तो खुद हैरान हो जाती हूँ। कुछ है जो मुझे अभी तक ये प्रेरणा देती रही है, और शायद मुझे यहाँ आना था, आप लोगों से मिलना था और इन डॉक्टरों से मिलना था, इस वजह से इतनी हिम्मत थी। और ये 9 साल मतलब शब्दों में एक्सप्लेन करना मेरे लिए बहुत ही मुश्किल है, बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, लेकिन जो कुछ भी होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है। ये मैं भगवान पे बहुत विश्वास रखती हूँ और मैं होप करती हूँ आगे मेरे साथ सब अच्छा ही हो। आप लोगों का आशीर्वाद रहे, दुआ रहे।
Anuranjan, the government of Jharkhand, even the union government so far did little for her. What do you expect of the government at this stage? What would you want the government to do for her?
Very honestly, I think what the government was supposed to have done years ago, they haven't done. So right now, just because she went and asked that, okay, I don't want to live anymore, it's become major news. But like this, where the money part is concerned, what I'd like to know is we need to know from the doctors, what is the figure we are looking at? We have a lot of friends who want to give in the money, but we want to just take what is necessary for her. We don't want to go overboard and say, okay, if the amounts are 20, 30, because even if they don't charge their own fees, there is going to be for medicines and hospital cares, post-operative, etc. And the government, all they can do besides keep the 50,000 with them is to ensure that they give her a job, like she says she wants to work, and to ensure that she lives a normal life after that, that she doesn't have to go and ask anyone for anything. So please, what we need to know is the kind of money we're looking at and what we need to collect as of right now, because that is very, very essential to get this treatment started, what we're talking of. This next 1 year depends on what we get to give to her to get started. So if we get that together, I'm sure a lot can happen faster and will happen. You know, so this is not just a conversation, it will get into action mode instantaneously. And I also say, besides that, there are so many people there with acid attack, just because they didn't come out, they've got no help. You know, so we've got to do something about this, but let's get started with her, and I'm sure we can do a lot more for so many more.